All right, so a polymer is a macromolecule formed when 50 or more monomer units are linked together. So poly means many. So it's a macromolecule, and it's found when 50 or more monomers are linked together. So the monomer units are what we are repeating in order to form a, we're linking the monomer units together in order to form a polymer. We have two types of polymerization. We have additional polymerization. In addition polymerization, the monomers are linked together by breaking of the double bond in the monomer unit. So we generally start with an alkene, and we are going to break the double bond in the monomer units and repeat those. In condensation polymerization, the monomers are linked together by the elimination of a small molecule, example, water or HCl. For the purpose of the C6 syllabus, the monomers we are forming, all we are doing to form those monomers are removing water. So we're going to begin with addition polymerization. So here is a monomer. This monomer is ethene. Now, when ethene form a polymer, the double bond is going to break. So I'm going to have now when this double bond break, this double bond is really the sharing of one pair of electron. So when I break the double bond, right, this carbon has a electron, this carbon have an electron. If I should draw another ethene molecule and I want to link them together, what is going to happen? The double bond breaks, so I end up with a molecule that looks like this. Each carbon has a free electron. So this electron can bond with this electron to form a bond. So when ethene is linked together, so if I'm combining these monomer units, I will have this. Clear? With an electron over there for further addition. Clear?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
So when the monomer, right? When the monomer is an alkene and the monomer opens up, all we are doing is we're going to repeat the monomer structure. So remember, when a polymer is formed, we need 50 or more monomer units linked together. So we're going to draw a partial structure of a polymer of ethene using 3. And people are going to ask me, Miss, why we always use 3? Because in the exam, they always ask you about 3 monomer units. So because we understand what happens when the monomer unit opens up, we can draw a partial structure of the monomer, which is going to be so this would be one monomer linked together by, this would be another monomer, and then my third monomer unit would look like this. So because it's a partial structure of the monomer, I can just do that to show that this is repeated. Clear? So all I need to do is to open up the double bond. And I'm showing you that when all the double bond open up, this carbon can bond with the electron over there. Now the monomers are linked together by this. This is what I'm using to link 3 monomer unit. This is a carbon single bond. So the monomers are linked together by a alkane linkage. So the partial structure of polyethane is this, and What is polyethylene used for? Somebody can read that quickly, please.
To make plastic bags, plastic bottles, sandwich bags, cling wrap, moisture barriers used in construction.
Okay. So here we have another monomer unit, which is chloroethene. 1-chloroethene, right? So when we draw a partial structure of the polymer, I'm going to use 3. My partial structure of the polymer is, I draw back the monomer unit. I draw back my monomer unit, and this is once. I'm going to repeat it 3 times. CL H. So this polymer is called polychloroethene, or it's called PVC. So this is the PVC. PVC is used to make pipes, gutters. What else do we use PVC to make? What else do we use PVC to create?
Plastic window and
Passive point insulation for electrical wires and cables.
yeah.
Okay, so those are some uses. You need to commit the uses of each polymer to your head. Is used to form Teflon. In Teflon is used to make non-stick pots and pan. So we're going to draw the partial monomer unit of Teflon. We just open up the double bond and we repeat. Open up the double bond, we repeat. This is a F, not a H.
You said monomer unit of Teflon?
Monomer unit of this is the polymer. The monomer is tetrafluoroethane. All right. Identify the type of polymerization that is used to manufacture polyethylene. What's the type of polymerization?
Addition polymerization.
Okay, ma'am. Then it says give 2 use of polyethylene.
To make plastic bags and plastic bottles.
And
Packaging for food and
sexy English is weird, so repeat the word plastic. What else? Packaging for
mist to make packaging for food and cling wrap.
I think they were accepting when this, them did I accept them two as the same thing, cling wrap and plastic bag, although they're not. So careful how you write, because them have a way to say that these things are all the same. So when you're marking, they said plastic bag is the same as cling wrap. So if you put the 2 of them, you would only get 1 mark. Say the name of one other type of polymer.
Teflon?
What else?
Polystyrene.
Mm. All right, any of those? Can I clear? Mm. 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 All right, when this come, this is always problematic. I'm not even gonna give it for do. I'm just gonna do it. So there is a monomer compound A. Says draw the partial structure of the polymer formed when compound A undergo addition polymerization with other molecules of A. We cannot just use we have to draw the entire structure. So this is the condensed viewing of the structure. So when I draw the entire structure, the structure is going to look like this. So this is how the monomer actually look. In addition polymerization, all I'm going to do is to remove the double bond and repeat the monomer structure. So this kite here with the OH would still be there. This H, CH, H. So this is, says use 3 molecule of A to draw the partial polymer. I've used 1, 2. So I need to draw a third. These are my 3 molecule. That's my partial polymer right there.